Hey everybody, today I'm out on a tree farm and I'm setting up trail cameras, getting ready for late season for archery for some of my friends. This particular tree farm, we talked to the landowner and they're having some big problems with deer. So we've been following the rubs. See right here, he's really shredding this tree up. This could have been a nice Christmas tree. And it's got a nice rub line all through here, all the way out. So we're following this guy, and you can see it is doing some damage. So it's Christmas tree season, and we're trying to get out here and help these Christmas tree farmers. They deal with a lot of turmoil every year and a lot of loss from, the deer ripping apart the trees or browsing them down, and they're just worthless to them at that point. So here's a nice 3x3 buck that was hanging out in the area, probably caused most of the big damage on the small trees. Shortly before that, a couple days before, this nice black bear standing in the same spot. They'll do a lot of damage to trees as well. Nice little fork horn. Not going to do as much damage, but they will mess up the little trees trying to rub the antlers. Then over on the other end of the property, we came across these two young bucks sparring it out, probably cousins or brothers. And they like to hang out around that particular area. Shortly after this, they did a little bit more sparring. So now you see what we're looking at here on the tree farm. We're looking at protecting the small trees, protecting the medium-sized trees, the Christmas tree size. Work with the farmers. They are going to be your best friend when it comes to finding a good place to hunt out here. They live out here. They know where the deer are at. Set up some trail cameras, help the farmers out, maybe plant some trees, pick up some brush for them. It goes a long way, and you'll be a better hunter and a better outdoorsman for it. So keeping all that in mind, even though it's late season for me, I'm looking towards next year. So I'm keeping an eye on what kind of deer crop are in here. We already know there's a bear. You've seen the footage of that. You've seen the bucks that are in here. There's 4 separate bucks, some nice young bucks that are up and budding. Even some nice pictures of them sparring, the little spike and the little forkhorn. These are blacktail. They sure love shrubs, and they love rubbing the heck out of these things. So help these local tree farmers protect their crops, and you have a good time.